In this video, you will learn how to track your activities using the planner from the Map My Customers mobile application. Activities are how you track all of your actions while out in the field. And it can be used to track visits, meetings, phone calls, and many more. To access the planner view, tap the View Planner button on the activity feed or tap Activities at the bottom navigation menu. You will be able to tap and scroll the calendar view and jump into a specific day you want to see. You can also scroll through the planner to see all of your upcoming activities. To add an activity from the planner view, tap the gray plus sign below of any of your scheduled activities. This will open this quick schedule panel for you to fill out your day and stay on top of your records that might need attention. You will also be able to create routes based on your daily or weekly activities by tapping on the small route icon at the left bottom corner of the screen. If you would like to visualize your weekly activities as pins on the map, simply tap on the green button below. This will automatically zoom into the area where the activities records are located. To learn more about activities in the planner, please visit our support portal.